Welcome everyone to this amazing new case study for YouTube ads being disapproved for unreliable claim. However, in case if your YouTube ads are being disapproved for unreliable claim or any other issue, or even your Google ads are being disapproved for compromised sites or competing system, malicious or unwanted software, misrepresentation, or any other issue, just to let you know that me and my team can help you. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company with around 17 years of experience, and I have a team of young Google ads professionals along with me who can help you combine in the process of getting your ads being approved on Google ads, getting your Google ads account suspended being restored, getting Google Merchant Center account being restored, getting a Google My Business profile being restored. We also help with management as well and also provide local SEO. So now moving on back to this case study where the YouTube ads were being disapproved. I'm going to show you first of all the disapprovals and then how we were able to sort out all of these. So let's get started first. Okay, I'm going to show you the original disapprovals. So this was the disapproval you can see over here. You can even match the account later on with the communication which we got from the Google as well. I can show you. The ad has three issues: unreliable claim, YouTube ad requirement, exaggerated or inaccurate claim, which were quite similar to unreliable claim, and the third is YouTube ad requirements, improper content. Your website had three issues. You can see over here as well, and I'm going to show you other disapprovals as well. So you can see over here that this ad you have these three disapprovals. Okay, apart from this, during this process we also had to get the account verified, and that is one of the reasons. Okay, this may be not necessary. Getting your Google Ads account verified is not a necessary thing. However, because since the account has had an issue now, because once an account had an issue, Google looks for small details and small things as well. So we had to get the account verified as well, for which we assisted the client as well, and we also provide the Google Ads advertiser verification service. You can order that separately as well through the link in the description. Now, once advertiser verification was done, we had to look for unreliable claim. Now, why unreliable claim occurs is because you are actually exaggerating. For instance, if you say lose 5 kgs in 10 days, how are you going to prove it? How it's possible? So one thing which we have learned after sorting out the cases is we can add disclaimers. Now individual results may vary. Also add something like these are testimonials, and again the result may be differ for you. Also, if you are making any claims, try to add any scientific evidence or research being done. The chemicals being used are safe for the human use without any medical prescription. Other things as well for the compliance. So now look for these things as well in your procedure to get it approved. Apart from this, I'm going to show you. Now this was the ad, the ad where I'm going to show you here how it was, being told. We added, a few things in the videos, including disclaimers, including adding some stuff in the description, and we also look for the landing page as well. And we also suggested adding few things in the landing page, including this is an advertisement, not an actual news. A lot of disclaimers, some terms of service, results may vary, scientific references, privacy policies to make it compliant. We also discussed on the competitors as well. So we looked on the word-to-word website, checked YouTube ad content and description, compared it with competitors, because if we add solid competitors who are trying to run the same ad, we can discuss with the Google regarding this. Okay, as a Google partner, we have a dedicated support, dedicated manager. We may use emails, we may use chat, or we may also call to them to get the cases approved. However, this can take time and patience because there are multiple departments in the Google. So if you are in a hurry, no, this takes time and patience. However, once it's manually approved, you can run it for a long time without any issue. So that is the advantage of getting your account being approved through manually. So when we sorted out these things, we added some things I told you, like terms of services, results may vary, scientific references. So we kind of redesigned the page, we added few things as well. So you can use these strategies kind of for running affiliate offers as well. We understand that because it was running to a third party offer, so we had to make sure everything is fine. So you can see over here the results may vary page, the scientific references page was separate. We also informed, discussed with the Google regarding this, and because if we sort one issue, the other issue can occur. So all of the things were being done. Even we checked the final landing page. Everything was done. Redirection, clocking, everything was being rechecked. The final page was being rechecked to ensure compliance. I'm going to show you few things as well. just this is one of the communication which we done with the Google, and we also added something like this in the video, and we also discussed with the Google regarding that this is added at this part. So you have to see over here. We also try to run ads separately for the website. You can see over here that what we are doing is we are promoting it through the video. However, we tried doing it on running the website on as well. Whole this procedure was done on our test account, so your account doesn't get affected through this. So the website was being approved. However, we got an issue of clickbait. Now, what is clickbait? Clickbait is an error which we get when we are, clickbait is something, when your headline and description is short, like to get as many clicks as possible. However, in reality, the things may get differ and not actually what it's shown in the ad description. This can also relate to unreliable claim. However, clickbait is primarily when its chances to get as many clicks as possible by doing deceptive practices. However, that is not allowed as well. And you can see here that they conceived like the revealed how a 52 years mom second. So we worked on descriptions as well to get it approved. So we had to sort this clickbait error as well. Now, clickbait error can be solved out by optimizing your ad copy, by optimizing your landing page. Not to confuse, this can also contradict with unreliable claim as well, the clickbait policy. However, we got the ads being disapproved with the limited. However, we wanted to run it for all. So I'm going to show you as well small things being done over here, and you can see a lot of communication, a lot of work was done, and then one of my team members, got the approval as well for your ad has been reviewed. You can see the account customer ID, the approval status should be uploaded within the next 48 hours, so as it was found on appeal not to violate the unreliable claim. So we discussed regarding this, and we get the unreliable claim sorted. Now, if you want to consider this customer ID, you can also cross check from here as well, this ID as well, and you will get an idea on how it was sorted. Now, this is not the whole part. I'm going to show you a few more approvals as well. And second was over here as well. You can see over here that I understand your concern regarding this account. Please post checking here. I would like to inform you that there are no ads distributed due to compromise site. So in the process, we also got the compromise site as well. We got that sort as well. And this is now the third approval. You can see over here that we had ad eligible with limited, where the YouTube ad requirements and improper content was still valid over there. However, the ads were disapproved. However, we wanted to get all the ads being approved with full policy running, so which we did, and in this, and you can see over here now there are no ads on the no issues on the ads, and the ads are now eligible. So now this is another successful case study. Now, if you realize on all of this, now first this takes communication work. This may take ample of discussion with the Google. Now, even we have a dedicated manager. We are a Google partner still. Google has multiple departments to get it approved. So it takes time, patience, and discussions. A lot of work was done for the competitors' data so that our case gets strong. If they are running ads, we can run ads. A lot of work was done on the compliance. Small and tiny details were being discussed. Looked around in the Google policies, found on all loopholes where we can work around without violation. So we discussed that with the Google, got it manually approved, and now the client is able to run the ads for unreliable claims. Now, the formula can be used for other Google Ads disapprovals as well. If there are any security issues, we can help those as well. If there are any Google Search Console issues, if there are any site issues, me and my team is, we have learned after sorting out many issues on the Google Search, on the Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspension, Google Shopping disapprovals, Google Business Profile disapprovals, on what Google is exactly looking around, we can get those sorted. And that is how we can run for those. So in case if you need me and my team help, we are available. Guys, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. We are available. You can hire us, and we can also look forward in working on monthly management as well. If you work with us on the monthly management, we will keep ensure that everything is running fine. We can optimize your campaigns for quality score and a lot of stuff. So yeah, in case if you need our help, we are available. You can hire us through the link in the description. I hope you like this case study, and we look forward to working with you. Yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.